What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Google Gemini tool, which is an AI model similar to ChatGPT. However, it can do more advanced features. You can chat with it using a prompt, as you might do with ChatGPT. You can even upload photos in order to analyze them, and you can even record your own voice for prompts. Now, some advanced features, or let me show you the basics. So you can use Gemini as you would with ChatGPT and ask it to like generate post ideas, video ideas, generate a script, summarize a script, and all the things that you might do with ChatGPT, including like asking scientific questions and stuff like that. However, there are some advanced features is that you can go ahead and paste a YouTube link or many YouTube video links and ask it to summarize this link or give you the main key points. So let's say, for example, give me the main like fitness topics for my blog post. Okay, hit enter and it'll start generating some ideas or some post ideas for you with photos. So here it even get you photos. They are not generated with AI, however they get them from websites here, or they are the photos from the websites, and they even give you the photo itself, the URL photo for photo. Now here you can upload a photo, you can upload a file, and you can even use the microphone to dictate in a prompt instead of writing it. So by uploading a photo, let's say I'm just like using a random photo of a computer mouse, and let me ask it what's in this photo. And as you can see here, it identifies that it's a computer mouse, and it even gives you the exact model and the details of this mouse.